Hello and welcome to We're About Wellness Friends. We're walking through doTERRA's essential oils, and today I am Mary Amber Hughes. Today I will be talking about balance, our grounding blend. You see here it does not have any supplemental fact box on it, so it is not going to be safe for internal use. The grounding blend is the blend that contains spruce leaf, you can see whole wood, frankincense, blue tansy, blue chamomile, and fractionated coconut oil. This is for every busy mama on the go. That's why I have it here. This is where I normally have it with me in my purse. This is an oil that I think every person and child should try and see the benefits from. This oil promotes a whole sense of body relaxation. It smells like, it reminds me of fir trees, and a very earthy smell when you put it on. And it's a pleasant smell though. It is wonderful for busy on-the-go families to put on the bottoms of their feet when they get up in the morning, or to put on anytime they're needing to feel that sense of relaxation. And it's great to put a drop in your hands and breathe in deeply. It helps with bringing about feelings of tranquility and balance. So it is encouraged that we can put a drop on the bottoms of our feet in the morning to lessen stress throughout the day. You can also put it on the bottoms of your feet before bed at night so that you can rest wonderfully and think positive thoughts and promote peaceful dreams. You can use it while meditating or practicing yoga. And you can also add this into a bath. That's how is nice as well, with some Epsom salt, or put it in a drop in a little tablespoon of milk or body gel and add to this to the bath. Run right underneath the water. That helps to keep it from setting right on top of the water. So balance about 2 drops in a bathtub to start with. Just start with 1 if you want to be conservative. You can also diffuse it in your car during road trips to create a calm environment. When I was traveling, I had balance, and I would just open it up and breathe it in from the bottle and rub a little bit on the back of my neck. Balance, that is the physical component and emotional component that brings with it. It also has that grounding because it is a blend of tree oils and root oils, and trees live in the present moment. They're not in a hurry, they're stable. So I love this book here that is called Emotions and Essential Oils, the reference guide for emotional healing. And literally it is just wonderful that this balance, it has a nice calming effect on overactive children who have difficulty settling down. It's a wonderful remedy for those who need to reconnect with their roots. And it strengthens a connection with the lower body and with the earth. And these connections are especially important when our upper facilities have been overused due to excessive thinking, speaking, or spiritual activity. And I would say that that is generally most of the U.S. population, with all of the activities we try to cram into our lives, our full lives. So if you're looking to get rid of scattered, disconnected, unstable, ungrounded emotions, and you're looking to be more grounded, stable, reconnected, committed, and self-contained, and have that inner strength and keep persevering, this is a great oil to inhale and use the ways that I mentioned above. And just 1 to 3 drops on the base of the spine or the bottoms of the feet is going to be effective. So I hope to hear that some of you have tried this and found it to be very helpful for your families. And if you like to learn more, you can just subscribe to We're About Wellness Friends, and then you'll be notified when we post another video. Thanks so much for joining us and learning about balance today.